In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the missing desktop app option when opening files in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams, then click the three dots next to your profile picture in the top right corner. Choose Settings, and from the left sidebar, click Files and Links. In this section, look for the setting that says Always Open Word, PowerPoint, and Excel files in. What you want to check here is whether you see a desktop option listed between Teams and Browser. If that desktop option is missing, go ahead and continue with the next steps. First, look at the top of the window and check whether you're actually using Teams in a browser. If you see a web address like teams.microsoft.com or teams.cloud.microsoft, that means you're in the web version. If that's the case, open another tab and go to microsoft.com/n/Microsoft Teams/download app. On that page, click Download for Desktop, then install the app and open it. Once it launches, sign into your account, then go back into Settings, then Files and Links, and check that same file opening section again. If the option still isn't there, the next thing to verify is whether the Microsoft Office desktop apps are properly installed. Press the Windows key and search for PowerShell. Open Windows, PowerShell. Now copy and paste the command shown on your screen. Feel free to pause here for a moment so you have enough time to copy it correctly. After pasting it in, press Enter and wait for the result. What you're checking for is whether O365 ProPlus Retail appears in the output. If it does, that confirms the desktop Office apps are present. Next, we're going to clear the Teams cache. Look at the bottom right side of your taskbar and click the upward arrow to show hidden icons. Find the Teams icon in the system tray, right-click it, and choose Quit Teams. After that, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run box. In the box, type the cache path shown on your screen. Take your time here and feel free to pause so you can enter the full path carefully. Then press Enter. When the folder opens, press Ctrl+A to select everything inside. Then press Delete to remove those files. This clears out cache data that can sometimes stop Teams from showing the correct file opening options. Now reopen Microsoft Teams. Since clearing the cache may have signed you out, go ahead and sign in again. Once you're back in, click the three dots next to your profile picture. Open Settings, then Files and Links, and check the file opening setting one more time. At this point, the desktop option should now be available. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One quick tip before you go. If the option still doesn't appear after all of this, make sure you're checking from the desktop app and not the browser version, because that alone is a very common reason this setting seems to be missing.